Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be talking about the best tips and tricks for Windows 10. So let's get started. Okay, so the first feature is called Focus Assist, and it's very underrated, but it's really useful. So go into your notification center, I guess, and enable Focus Assist on. So the thing so what this does is, let's think you're maybe working on a project or you have lots of work to do and you don't want distractions coming. Well, then all you have to do is just click on Focus Assist, and all of those notifications, they'll all be blocked. You can set a specific time period if you want, or else you can just keep it on 24 hours if you're the kind of guy who hates notifications. Okay, so for my second tip, this is also another underrated feature. It's using virtual desktops. So the advantage of using these desktops is that you can have an uncluttered desktop. So for example, you can see in desktop number 1 I have Notepad and OBS running. So let's think I wanted to do something else, like if I wanted to game, I could rename desktop 2 as or maybe I just want to work, so let's rename this as work, and I can hop in and I can open a work application, or let's just say music, or any application here, settings, and you can do work over here. And if you want to go back to your first desktop, you just hold Windows key plus Control and the left arrow key, and you can move between both of your desktops. Okay, so for tip number 3, this is clipboard history. So if you just press Windows key plus V, you get this small clipboard icon, and you get these you get all the stuff which you have copied to your clipboard. So screenshots, random words, I just click on it and it'll paste over here. To give you guys an example, I'm just going to type and once I type this and I highlight it, I can copy it to my clipboard, and then I can click Windows key plus V and copy it right here. And if you have a very old link you need to resend again, instead of going to the website and searching for it, you can just click Windows key plus V, get the link, whatever you want, and you can copy it. You can also delete it, and you can pin it, so it keeps so when you pin it, even though you turn off your PC, it's still going to be there in the clipboard. Whereas if you don't, these are going to get cleared the next time you open your laptop. Okay, tip number 4, the Windows secret menu. If you press the Windows key plus X, you get this secret menu. So here you can see a desktop, you can shut down or sign in. It's really similar to Windows 7 start menu, just without many animations or acrylic blurs or anything. It's just straightforward. You get your file explorer, task manager, direct access to command prompt or the admin version of that. You can view all of those right here. Tip number 5, assigning the print screen key as your snip and sketch key. So to do this, go on to settings, and once settings opens, type in the search box, just type in snip, and click on the first result which comes up, and then turn this setting on. So the next time you press the print screen button, it'll open up this menu which you can use to take a specific portion of your screen and to save that to your clipboard. So just for a fun fact, if I open this up and copy this to my clipboard over here, if I just go back to Notepad and press Windows and W, I get the screenshot. I obviously can't apply it on Notepad, but yeah. So the 6th tip is to change languages quickly in Windows. You press the Windows button and the space button. Everyone knows that. But what if you want to go backwards? Well, then press Shift and press the spacebar. Then you can go back. I'll show you guys that again. If you press Windows key and spacebar, it's gonna go down. If you want it to go up, hold the Shift key and then press the spacebar. Then it'll go up. My seventh tip is not like a tip. It's more of an advisory thing. Just keep your taskbar clean. It doesn't have to be centered or anything. Just remove all the crap which appears over here. Just drag them into the small arrow icon, and it'll be hidden in that small box forever. So you don't have to worry about your taskbar being full of crap. For my eighth tip, it's going to be changing your mouse style. So as you can see, my mouse is very different from the original Windows mouse style. So just type in mouse pointer and then click on change the mouse pointer or display speed in control panel, and click on open, and then go down to pointers over here and then choose which cursor you want. So I have a third-party minimalist cursor here. I will put the link in the description to where you can get these cursors, and I can switch between them. So I have a macOS one over here, and I have my normal Windows default one. So for my next tip, it's the application called Run. So hold Windows and R when you and then you will get this application called Run. Type in DX dialog or DIAG and press OK to see more information about your PC. For example, your GPU driver date, your BIOS, that type of stuff. So right here I can see my DirectX version, my BIOS, which version of Windows 10 I have, and on display I can see which GPU is powering my display over here, and the main drivers, the version, the date they've updated, everything right here. I can also see my other GPU, which is my Radeon one, and I can get all the facts about it down here, and you can see your sound and your input devices, and you can see more information about them. For my 10th tip, it is downloading a third-party application called Fluent Search, where you can use it to search anything, and absolutely anything you want, files, files, videos, pictures, absolutely anything. I recommend downloading this. I'll put the link to download it in the description, and I have got like a mini style review of the Microsoft Store version, which you should not download. Only download the version I have given in the link. Don't download the Microsoft Store version because that has some bugs. And for my 10th and final tip, use these three applications to make Windows 10 look and feel much better. The first one is Taskbar X, Fluent Search, and finally Rainmeter. These are pretty self-explanatory, so I'll include links in the description to download them. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.